When you first start out in affiliate marketing, or if you want to test a new niche, it can be really tempting to cut as many cost corners as possible, and one of those cost-cutting exercises is doing without a website. It's also often seen as a time saver because websites take ages to get established. Personally, given that a domain's cheap and hosting's cheap, I'm too much of a control freak to do without a website, so I'll set them up anyway. But I do use other methods for my affiliate marketing as well, and well, like this video, they offer the chance to basically make money promoting affiliate products. So which ways can you make money without going to the trouble of having your own domain and website? Should be obvious since you're watching this video that YouTube is one option. You can create a different channel for each niche and basically check the latest YouTube help to find out where they've currently hidden that option. Brand your channel with a header graphic on Fiverr, that's an easy way to do that, and then start uploading videos. Style of video you choose will likely vary depending on your niche, and some niches are better demonstrated in real life, so you might need someone else to shoot the video for you on your phone or a proper camera. Other niches, like most of the ones that I personally tend to promote, are fine with explanation style videos. I used to create videos using PowerPoint and shoot them in quote marks using Screencast-o-matic, but more recently I've been using a program called Vidnami. It's a system that you can find a link onto their site at the end of this description, and you give it a script. It suggests video clips or photos and you can adjust the ones used. It adds royalty-free music, and you can either use one of their pre-recorded computer-generated sort of voices, or you upload your own voice like I'm doing. Personally, as I said, I use my own voice, but if I was in a female-orientated niche, I might well prefer to use a female voice and I'd choose one of theirs. There's quite a few to choose from. You can also make the choice for each video that you create, so it's not critical for you're not stuck there forever. Then obviously upload the video to YouTube, include an affiliate link or two in the description, much like I do, and make sure you have a good description and all the other things that you normally do to promote videos. You can promote your channel using paid adverts on YouTube, they're quite happy to take your money, as well as by ethically commenting on other videos, creating playlists and lots of other options that you can gradually learn, but start with the basics. Facebook, another place used by a lot of affiliate marketers. I see them there all the time. You create a page, dress it up with graphics, and add content to it. Promote that page on Facebook by posting in various places. If you're comfortable with it, your own timeline, relevant groups or pages, just taking care not to spam, and you can obviously pay for Facebook ads to grow your reach. You can also promote your Facebook group from your YouTube description. And you're not limited to just one page on Facebook, so much like YouTube, you can keep your separate niches separate. Pinterest, also used by affiliate marketers. If your chosen niche is visual, then pictures and videos on your Pinterest board are a really good way to promote it. Pinterest also allows you to create different boards, so you can keep your niches separate. It also accepts paid advertising, funny that, so you can promote your boards inside Pinterest. Another site that's often neglected for affiliate marketing is Tumblr. It's no longer the home of not safe for work type pages because they had a clear out a while ago. So it's perfectly okay, or reasonably okay for affiliate marketing. They're not too twitchy about it. Tumblr tends to work as much, it's much more of a community than the other sites I've mentioned, which may work in your favour. Especially if you're passionate about your niche, it's good like that. You can expand your following by reposting other content from other Tumblr blogs. So if you're already familiar with Tumblr because you use it anyway, or used to use it, it's definitely worth setting up a blog on it and then monetizing it with affiliate marketing, obviously. And if you'd like a free training with a lot more information I can fit into this video, just click the link below this video and you can get more info.